eComOne have helped us to increase organic traffic by more than 30%, grow our organic revenue by over 20%, and significantly improve our visibility across some of the most important product categories. Splashback started over 20 years ago, and the goal was to help babies and young children enjoy the water safely while making swimming easier and more enjoyable for families. We're best known, I think, for the Happy Nappy, which has become the UK's most trusted reusable swim nappy, and it's recommended by many swim schools all over the world. Today, Splashback products are used by families in more than 30 countries around the world. We've got offices in both the UK and Australia, and we ship globally from warehouses in the UK, the EU, US, Canada and Australia, which allows us to support customers worldwide. As we've expanded internationally and broadened our product range, we've also had to ensure that customers can easily find the right products and the right information across a much larger website. We've had to balance brand growth with customer experience and commercial performance, which requires continuous investment and adaptation. The goal isn't just about getting more traffic, it's about attracting the right customers and creating a better experience that supports long-term sustainable growth. What we value most about eComOne is that they understand e-commerce and they understand our business. They don't just provide reports and recommendations, they take the time to understand our products, our customers, and our commercial objectives. Over the course of our partnership, we've seen measurable improvements in organic traffic, visibility, and revenue. eComOne have helped us to increase organic traffic by more than 30%, grow our organic revenue by over 20%, and significantly improve our visibility across some of the most important product categories. Their combination of technical expertise, content strategy, and commercial focus has produced results that have had a genuine impact on the business. And just as importantly, we've built a relationship based on trust and collaboration. The team are proactive, they're responsive, and they're always looking for opportunities to help us improve. SEO for us is a long-term investment, and having a partner who is focused on sustainable growth rather than just the quick wins is so incredibly important to us. eComOne really does feel like an extension of our own team, and that's why we continue to work together as we look towards the next stage of growth for Splashback.